Baudhanath Mahachaitya site. The Baudhanath Mahachaitya, the biggest stupa in Nepal. This Baudhanath Mahachaitya, this is the biggest stupa in Nepal. It is lies about 7 km east from the capital city. Right? This is 7 km east from the capital city. 7 km पूर्वतिर छ. It is one of the sacred shrines for Buddhists. This is the very holy place for Buddhism, for Buddhist, right? Baudhanath Mahachaitya, this is the very holy or sacred place for Buddhism. It is believed that the stupa was built around 15th century by King Mandev in Lichvi period, right? This is said that के भनिन्छ भने यो चाहिँ मानदेवले बनाएको हैन भन्ने गरिन्छ. It is also called Khasti Chaitya. This is in another, this is called Khasti Chaitya. The stupa is 45 meter in height. Its height is 45 meter and about 100 meter its diameter. The Chaitya has ever watching eyes of the Buddha just above the white dome. It has two symbolic eyes are above the white dome. It contains more than 45 monasteries in this area, right? It has more than 45 monasteries are lies in this. After this, next one, Swayambhunath Stupa. It is very ancient temple in Kathmandu. This Swayambhunath Stupa is very old, ancient, prachin temple in Kathmandu, and it is a very holy place for Buddhist pilgrims. This Swayambhunath Stupa also a very holy place for Buddhist pilgrims. Pilgrims, Buddhistहरूको लागि चाहिँ एउटा धार्मिक स्थल हो. Around the stupa can be seen several shrines, right? Around this stupa we can see many shrines. This is peat, monasteries, gumba, and idols and murtiहरू हामी देख्छौँ. No long ago, the largest idol of Lord Buddha in Nepal was constructed in its premises, right? यसको premises मा चाहिँ एउटा नेपालकै सबभन्दा ठूलो बुद्धको मूर्ति चाहिँ त्यहाँ राखेको छ. Lord Buddha in Nepal was the idol of Lord Buddha, biggest, the largest in the Nepal. नेपालमा सबभन्दा ठूलो बुद्धको मूर्ति चाहिँ कहाँ राखेको छ त? स्वयम्भुनाथ स्तूपाको premises मा राखेको छ. This a temple of goddess Saraswati. So there also lies Saraswati, and goddess Saraswati's temple also there. The goddess of learning stands there. This is an example of religious tolerance in Nepal. So look, though this is the site of Buddhist, but there another temple of Saraswati is there. It means that this is the best example of religious tolerance in Nepal. Dharmik sahihnauta. It means that one religions respect another religion. Isn't it? भएको भएन. गौतम बुद्धको छेउमा के छ त? गौतम बुद्ध जहाँ बुद्धिस्टको चाहिँ स्तूपा हो त्यहाँ के छ? सरस्वतीको मन्दिर छ. It means that हिन्दूको चाहिँ हिन्दू धर्मको मन्दिर त्यहाँको छ जहाँ कि बुद्ध धर्मको स्तूपा भएको ठाउँमा. Okay, so this is the best example of, this is only one example. There are many other sites where right Buddhist and Hindu and different other religions are celebrate together. So there are many other पनि छन् के अरु पनि छन्. Among this Swayambhunath stupa is one. It is also in the World Heritage Sites. It is listed in World Heritage Site in 1979 AD with the Pashupatinath area. Partapur temple was badly damaged by the earthquake and it was just repaired later on. So earthquake in 2007 too, that earthquake also badly damaged Partapur temple, and the earthquake and it was just later on. So this Swayambhunath stupa, this is the ancient temple which lies in Kathmandu Valley. This is an best example of religious tolerance in Nepal. I hope you got some point from here. After this, after Swayambhunath stupa, let's talk about Kathmandu or Hanuman Dhoka Darbar Square. This is the Darbar, especially this is Darbar Square, means this is Darbar. Kathmandu Darbar Square or Hanuman Dhoka Darbar Square. Hanuman Dhoka Darbar Square is situated in the heart of Kathmandu with choke full of cultural. This is the area where very cultural, ancient crafts, drawing and handicrafts are found there. cultural, ancient craft, drawing and handicrafts we can found in this area, in this chowk, Darbar Square. There is the Marusattal made from only one sal tree. And inside the Kathmandu, the Darbar Square, we can find there Marusattal. This Marusattal, what is Marusattal? This is the temple which is made by only one or single sal tree. This is called Marusattal. It is also called Kast Mandap. So this is also called Kast Mandap. This Kast Mandap was made by an artist in the Lakshmi Narsimha Malla. Kast Mandap there, and inside the Kathmandu Darbar Square, there Marusattal is made by single sal tree, and other Kast Mandap also. This was made by King Lakshmi Narsimha Malla, and afterwards the name changed into Kathmandu, right? Kast Mandap after the name of the Kast Mandap, this is name is Kathmandu रह्यो भन्ने चलन छ. हनुमान ढोका टेम्पल अफ इनसाइड द हनुमान ढोकामा चाहिँ टेम्पल अफ तलेजु भवानी, टेम्पल अफ पञ्चमुखी हनुमान, द टेम्पल अफ कुमारी, द टेम्पल अफ शिव पार्वती, गणेश, गड्डी बैठक एसेक्ट्रा ह्याभ डेकोरेटेड दिस दरबार स्क्वायर. सो हैन विभिन्न किसिमका चाहिँ टेम्पलले के गरेको छ त यो काठमाडौँ दरबार स्क्वायरलाई झन् ब्युटी एड गरेको छ भनेर हामी बुझ्न सक्छौँ. काठमाडौँ और हनुमान ढोका दरबार स्क्वायर. After this, inside the Kathmandu Valley, another important place or historical place is that is Patan Darbar Square. This is lies in Lalitpur. Patan Darbar Square, located students. This Patan Darbar Square, now it is lies in Lalitpur Jillama cha, was resident of Malla kings. This is Patan Darbar Square is the residence of Malla king during the medieval period. Madhyakalin period ma Malla kings were ruled from this Patan Darbar Square. Square means Darbar Square chok bhaneko hai. The square is full of temples. This area also full of temples, shrines, chokes, taps, ponds and antique crafts, carvings and paintings. This Darbar Square also very rich in historical monuments, historical things. So this is one of the best pride for Nepalese. हाम्रो नेपालको लागि एकदमै बेस्ट प्राइडको रूपमा लिन सक्छौं. There are three major country yards in the palace. यो प्यालेसमा तीनवटा चाहिँ मुख्य साइडहरु छन्. मूलचोक, one is Mulchok, next one Sundari Chok and next one Keshav Narayan Chok. These three chokes added too much beauty in the Patan Darbar Square. Not only this, Krishna Darbar or Krishna temple, which is built in Sikari style with 21 pinnacles in gorgeous temple made of the stone. This also add very beauty in Patan Darbar Square. में beauty थप्ने भनेको कृष्ण मन्दिर हो. कृष्ण मन्दिर जो 21 पिनाकल छ र this is made in Sikhar style, right? This is made in Sikhar style, right? This is made in Sikhar style with 21 pinnacles. It is a gorgeous temple made of the stone. ढुङ्गाबाट बनेको. Marusattal, we know that Marusattal, this is made in single sal tree. Loman Khatka, are you listening me? Loman Khatka. Loman? Hello Loman. Loman Khatka bhai.
Loman join नहीं भाई सर.
Hello Loman. Okay, Loman is there in next app. Okay, 21 pinnacles. It is the gorgeous temple made of. हजुर सुन्दै हो? लोमन भाइ?
Yes sir.
स्क्रिन शेयर पनि भएको छ नि हैन?
Yes sir.
ल तिमीलाई चाहिँ नयाँ एपबाट तिमीलाई जोइन गराएको छु मैले. ठीक छ. त्यो उताबाट अघि तिमी 6 क्लास हो कति क्लासमा थियो नि त्यति बेला तिमीलाई रिमुभ गरिदिएको के मैले. त्यति बेला चाहिँ त्यही नै जोडिराको. ठीक छ.
सर हाम्रो ग्रुपमा आएको लिंक सर कसको त्यो अर्को टेक्समा भएन सर तपाईकोमा जोइन मात्रै त्यो बेला आएको सर.
म बोले तिमी बोल्दै बोलेनौ लिभ भने 2-3 पटकसम्म तिमी लिभ नै भएनौ अनि लिभ न.
होइन सर के सर त्यहीमा ल्यापटप ल्याक्छ सर म सुझाव बोल्छु सर त्यही भएर तपाईको जोइन मान्छ सर.
ए तिमी त्यहाँको त्यहाँ भयो अरु क्लासलाई हेर्नुपर्ने हो त्यही भएर तिमीलाई रिमुभ हान्दिएको अनि ल
कुनै माइन जोइन मिल्छ सर नि.
ओके अब मिल्यो हैन. 21 ओके पाटन दरबार स्क्वायर सुरु गर्छु मैले. ओके पाटन दरबार स्क्वायर लोकेटेड इन ललितपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. It was the residence of Malla kings during the medieval period. हैन मल्लकालीन पिरियडमा चाहिँ यो चाहिँ मल्लहरुको शासन गर्ने एउटा ठाउँ थियो. The square is full of temples, shrines, chokes, taps, ponds and antique crafts, paintings. There are three major country yards in the palace. Mul Chowk, Sundari Chowk, Keshav Narayan Chowk, the Krishna temple built in Sikhar style with 21 pinnacles, the gorgeous temple made of the stone. The royal bath, another stone architecture. Their royal bath भने चाहिँ अर्को चाहिँ के छ त एउटा another stone architecture हैन कलाकृति हो. It is the masterpiece of Malla art. Another like हैन कुम्बेश्वर महादेव, रातो मच्छिन्द्रनाथ, भीमसेन, महाबौद्ध and the statue of Yug Narendra Malla. The windows of elephant bones and heads, etc. are the great interest to the visitors. The person who visit in Patan the that lure, that just attract this area. Rato Machindranath and statue of Yug Narendra Malla, windows, elephant bones and heads, and these are the things which attract the tourists in this Patan Darbar Square. So our their main duty is to preserve such heritage sites. After this Patan Darbar Square, let's talk about Bhaktapur Darbar Square. This is also another darbar, from where during the Malla period, Malla kings were ruled from Bhaktapur. Bhaktapur Darbar Square lies in the distance of about 15 kilometers to the east of the Kathmandu. काठमाडौँबाट चाहिँ 15 किलोमिटर पश्चिम पूर्वतिर रहेको छ. During the Malla period, there was a powerful kingdom. During the Malla period, this Bhaktapur Darbar Square of Bhaktapur Darbar Square was the very powerful and एकदमै शक्तिशाली थियो. It was center of the art and architecture. कला कौशलमा एकदमै center हो. Now it is a major tourist destination in the Kathmandu. Now this area became the major tourist destination in the Kathmandu Valley. Much of the existing structures such as Nathpal Temple, Nathpal Temple, which is one of the best example of ancient time, that is also lies in this Bhaktapur Darbar Square. We don't place Pachpana Jhala Darbar also attract the tourists here. Pachpana Jhala Darbar were constructed by King Bhupadendra Malla, right? Nathpal Temple and 55 windowed palace. This is the two main masterpiece of ancient period or medieval period that is constructed by King Bhupadendra Malla. Bhupadendra Malla बनाएका हुन्. Not only this, that Dattatreya temple, statue of Bhupadendra Malla, colossal bell, kettle drum and museum are among the other attraction of the area. Not only this Pachpana Jhala Darbar and Nathpal, not only these are attraction part, other Dattatreya temple, statue of Bhupadendra Malla, colossal bell, kettle drum and museum are other attraction for the tourists in this area, in this Bhaktapur Darbar Square. The carvings on the walls, the paintings, the carvings which are painted on the wall, windows and doors, ढोकामा वालमा चाहिँ कुँदेका चाहिँ 55 दरबारमा चाहिँ are exquisitely beautiful, एकदमै सुन्दर देखिन्छ. In 1979 AD, it was listed as a World Heritage Site. 1979 मा यसलाई चाहिँ World Heritage Site मा लिस्ट गरियो. र 2 other Darbar squares and 4 heritage sites of the valley. This monuments zone was also badly damaged the earthquake in 2015. Okay, 2015 AD मा अथवा 2072 को भूकम्पले यो Bhaktapur Darbar Square लाई पनि badly damage गर्यो. Okay, dear student, till now we discuss about 7 different heritage sites which are just inside Kathmandu Valley. What are they? Pashupati, could you tell what are the heritage sites which are listed in Kathmandu Valley? के होला भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ भन्नुस् त ल. तपाईहरु कता आउनु भएको थियो? जोइन गर्न आउनु भएको. खै एकैछिन मोबाइल दिनुस् त.
के रे सर?
ल के होला भन्नुस् है, एकैछिन भन्नु त.
सर स्वयम्भूनाथ.
ल भन्दै जानु न. भन्दै जानु. हजुर पनि आउनु न. आउनु दिनुस् न मोबाइल. ल हेर्दै गर्नुस् है. भन्नुस् है अरु के सबै नाम भन्नु न. नाम भन्नु न के हो. नहीं नाम भन्नु तपाईँले के हो
सर पाटन दरबार स्क्वायर
सबैको नाम भन्नु सबैको नाम
को सब भन्ने छ
अँ
भक्तपुर दरबार स्क्वायर
अरू
हनुमान ढोका
भन्नु भन्नु
पाटन दरबार स्क्वायर
अँ
बौद्धनाथ पशुपति
ओके दे आर द 7 हैन सातवटा चाहिँ के हुन् त डिफरेन्ट साइट्स हैन हिस्ट्रिकल साइट्स रिलिजियस साइट विच आर लिस्टेड इन वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज हैन वर्ल्ड हेरिटेजमा चाहिँ लिस्टेड भएका के हुन् त तिनीहरू सातवटा हामीले पढ्यौँ हैन भक्तपुर दरबार स्क्वायर 1 भक्तपुर दरबार जस्ट डिस्कस नाउ भक्तपुर दरबार स्क्वायर हैन पाटन दरबार स्क्वायर काठमाडौँ और हनुमान ढोका दरबार स्क्वायर तीनवटा दरबार स्क्वायर भए स्वयम्भूनाथ अनि बौद्धनाथ महाचैत्य साइट नेक्स्ट वान चागुनारायण टेम्पल साइट and next one Pashupatinath temple site. These are the 7 areas which are tuned
enlisted in old heritage site.
Yes, from Nepal, from Kathmandu Valley. Okay, they are the areas which are enlisted in Kathmandu Valley. Kathmandu Valley का चाहिँ के हुन्छ यिनीहरू enlisted भएका हुन् है त हामी यसरी बोल्न सक्छौँ ल ओके पशुपतिनाथ टेम्पल साइट 1 चागुनारायण टेम्पल साइट 2 बौद्धनाथ महाचैत्य साइट 3 स्वयम्भूनाथ स्तूपा 4 काठमाडौँ हनुमान ढोका दरबार स्क्वायर 5 पाटन दरबार स्क्वायर 6 भक्तपुर दरबार स्क्वायर 7 these are the 7 different historical sites which are listed in World Heritage Site from Kathmandu region. After this Lumbini region, okay.
Lumbini is the birthplace of Siddhartha Gautama Lord Buddha.
It is the most visited place Buddhists from around the world. Here stands the famous stone pillar erected by Indian Emperor Ashoka, who visited the place in 245 BC. Pashurani Pond and Mayadevi temple are also very famous. The Lumbini Development Committee of 13 countries, including Nepal, was formed in 1970 AD to carry out a master plan for the development of the area. Beautiful stupas, monasteries, villas, libraries, and beautiful stupas and museum and a research center are constructed there. Many countries such as China, Myanmar, Japan, Britain, South Korea, India, Thailand, France, and Germany have erected pillars. Their Lumbini was included in the list of World Heritage Site in 1997.
Okay, thank you. Lumbini region. Lumbini is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. It is no doubt, isn't it? And there is no doubt that Lumbini is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. And it is the most sacred place of Buddhists from around the world. And विश्वमा भएका अब भनौँ न सबै बुद्धिस्टहरूमध्ये चाहिँ यो चाहिँ के हो त एकदमै सिक्रेट प्लेस हो एकदमै के हो होली प्लेस हो धार्मिक प्लेस हो हैन फ्रम अराउन्ड द वर्ल्ड देयर स्ट्यान्ड अ फेमस स्टोन पिलर इरेक्टेड बाई इन्डियन इम्पेरियर अशोका अशोकाले चाहिँ इन्डियन इम्पेरियर अशोकाले के गरेको हैन त्यहाँ चाहिँ ठड्याएको बुद्ध चाहिँ नेपालमा जन्मेका हुन् भनेर चाहिँ हैन आफू चाहिँ म घुमेको हुँ भनेर राखेको एउटा चाहिँ एउटा के भन्छ त्यसलाई चिनो भनौँ न हैन बुद्धिस्ट फ्रम अराउन्ड द वर्ल्ड देयर स्ट्यान्ड अ फेमस स्टोन पिलर इरेक्टेड बाई इन्डियन इम्पेरियर अशोका हु भिजिटेड द यो प्लेस चाहिँ 235 BC मा चाहिँ के गरे त्यसले त्यहाँ भेटे र त्यो भेटेको चाहिँ प्रमाण स्वरूप हैन उनले चाहिँ अशोक एड गरे अनि पुरासोनी पोन्ड एन्ड मायादेवी टेम्पल आर also very famous. The Lumbini Development Committee of 13 countries including Nepal was formed 1978. 1970 मा नेपाल लगायत 13 वटा देश मिलेर चाहिँ लुम्बिनी हैन विकास कोष भनेर चाहिँ लुम्बिनी हैन विकास भनेर चाहिँ एउटा गठन भएको छ र जसले चाहिँ मास्टर प्लान हैन व्हिच क्यारी मास्टर प्लान फर द डेभलपमेन्ट अफ दिस एरियाको चाहिँ विकासलाई मास्टर प्लान ल्याएको छ. Around this there are beautiful stupa, monasteries, bihar, libraries, a museum and the research centers are also constructed around there. Many countries such as China, Myanmar, Japan, Vietnam, South Korea, India, Thailand, France, Germany have erected bihars there. विभिन्न देशहरूले बिहार चाहिँ त्यहाँ के गरेका छन् त. Lumbini was included in the list of the World Heritage Site in 1979 AD. 1997 Lumbini वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइटमा चाहिँ लिस्टेड भएको हो। ल के लुम्बिनी हैन, लुम्बिनी भनेको चाहिँ नेपालको एउटा गर्वको विषय हो हैन, हामी सबैलाई थाहा छ। लुम्बिनी इज द गौतम बुद्ध। ल के लुम्बिनी पछि अब हामी पढौँ नेक्स्ट। दिस इज द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस सगरमाथा नेसनल पार्क रिजन। दिस इज लोकेटेड इन सोलुखुम्बु डिस्ट्रिक्ट अफ सगरमाथा हैन, सगरमाथा जोन। सगरमाथा नेसनल पार्क लाइज एट द highest altitude above 3000 meters covering an area of 1148 square kilometer. Now this Sagarmatha National Park region, this region also World Heritage Site. This is the area which is lies at the highest altitude above 3000. Sagarmatha National Park region, it is located in the Solukhumbu district of Sagarmatha zone. Sagarmatha zone तत्कालीन सगरमाथा जोन थियो, अहिले चाहिँ छैन। सगरमाथा नेसनल पार्क लाइज एट द हाइएस्ट एल्टिट्युड अफ एबभ 3000 meters कभरिङ एन एरिया अफ 1148 square kilometer. It includes various higher peaks of the world such as Mount Everest, Lhotse, Choyu, Nipse, Pumauri, Amadablam, etc. These peaks are also lies in the national park. It also preserves various flora and fauna. Different animals and vegetation are preserved by national park. This is the area of rhododendron, pine, spruce, fir. The rhododendron, pine, spruce, fir, etc. are the chief vegetations which are found in this region. It is the habitat of animals like snow leopard, red panda, polar cheetah, wild yak, mongoose, musk deer, and birds like Lophophorus daffy. These are the animals and birds which are found in this region in large quantity in Sagarmatha National Park. This is the last one is after Sagarmatha National Park. Next one is Chitwan National Park. This Chitwan National Park is situated in Chitwan, Makanpur, and Parsa district. Right? This is the area which is touched in 3 districts, Chitwan, Makanpur, and Parsa district. It is nearly 120 kilometers southwest of Kathmandu and occupies an area of 932 square kilometers of forest, marshes, and rivers. Its area is 932 square kilometers, where forest, marshes, area there's bushes, rivers. It preserves the rare and endangered animal like one or rhino. यसले चाहिँ endangered animalलाई चाहिँ रेयर सेभ गरेको छ हैन, लाइक एज one or rhino, spotted tiger, elephant, leopard, bear, crocodile, and birds like hornbill and peacocks. विभिन्न रेयर एनिमल एन्ड बर्ड्सलाई चाहिँ यसले प्रिजर्भ गरेको छ। It is a famous destination for tourists. It was recognized as a World Heritage Site in 1984 AD. चितो नेसनल पार्कलाई चाहिँ के गरियो, वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइटमा लिस्टेड गरियो। Okay, not only these 10 heritage are listed in World Heritage Site, and in Nepal not only such 10 sites, 10 heritage sites, there are lots of heritage sites which are in Nepal. The list of other prides of Nepal are here. There are many more heritage in Nepal, such as Bardia National Park, Sivapuri National Park, Holisi Mahadev of Khotang, Ram Janaki Temple of Janakpur, Jai Bageshwari Temple of Nepalganj, Chandannath Temple of Jumla, Muktinath Temple of Mustang, Pathivara Temple of Taplejung, Chintang Devi Temple of Dhankuta, Vindhyavasini and Talbarahai Temple of Pokhara, Kalika Temple of Baglung, Gosai Kunda of Rasua, Swargodari of Bhutan, etc. These are some examples which shows our pride in Nepal, in the world. All these heritage sites should be preserved and promoted. The government, organizations, and individuals have their parts to play for this. Okay, so these are the some other prides of Nepal हैन हाम्रा प्रायका अरु नेपालका अरु हुन् ओके सो आवर ड्युटी इज टु प्रिजर्भ कन्जर्भ हैन रेयर टेक केयरिङ गर्ने रिकस्ट गर्ने काम चाहिँ हामी सबैको हो भन्दै अब हामीले हैन आजको क्लास सक्यौं वी हेभ कम्प्लिटेड टुडेज क्लास सो हैन this is your homework. I hope you will do homework at home. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, in summary, today we discuss about the different additional pride of Nepal, Chittor National Park. This is the area where one rhino, spotted tiger, elephant, leopard are saved. Next one, Sagarmatha National Park, where Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, lies there. Lumbini region also very famous region because this is the region where Gautam Buddha was born. Next one, Bhaktapur Darbar Square. This is the very religious site or historical site of Kathmandu region, where 55 windows. Nathpol is the very attraction of tourists. Patan Darbar Square, Chowk, these are some of the Narayan Chowk, that Krishna temple is the best and gorgeous temple of Nepal and which is the attraction for tourists we discussed. Next one, Kathmandu Darbar Square where Kastmandap, Marusatal, this is the best area, best site for tourist attraction we discussed there. Swayambhunath Stupa, this is the best example of religious tolerance in Nepal. Next one, it year's eyes, Year's eyes are the main attraction. This is the religious site of Buddhist Chagunaren temple, which is made by Lichivi King Mandev, 5th century pagoda style, which is the best example pagoda style we discussed. And first one is Pashupatinath temple. This is the holy place of Hindus and not only Nepal from abroad. So we discussed these 10 different sites in Nepal, and I hope you got the point and thank you very much everyone. Okay, अब छुट्टी भयो त सबैजनालाई नमस्ते
नमस्ते सर